P1 means current year price. P0 is base year price. Q1 is equal to current year quantity. Q0 is base year quantity. The second problem goes, calculate of aggregate expenditure method and family budget method. Aggregate expenditure method. What's the formula? Sigma P1 Q0, sigma P0 Q0. So this is also called weight. Hello my dear students, I am Dr. B.S. Subramaniam, called by name Dr. B.S.S., Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidhyaashram First Aid College, a Temple of Excellence, MYSURU. I am going to handle in this session Statistic for Business Decision, 3rd semester, Unit 5, Session 1 in favor of index number. I am going to explain what are the points to be bear in mind for index number. So we'll move on now. Here, whatever the points here the major point here, 1 point, P means price, Q means quantity, then P1 means current year price, P0 is base year price, Q1 is equal to current year quantity, Q0 is base year quantity. What is that? P is the price, Q is the quantity. P1 current year price, P0 base year price, Q1 current year quantity, Q0 base year quantity. You have to learn that point. So P is the price, Q is the quantity. Then you have to learn here P1 current year price, P0 base year price, then Q1 current year quantity, Q0 base year quantity. Then formula for index number, for Fisher ideal index number is equal to root of sigma P1 Q0 divided by sigma P0 Q0 into sigma P1 Q1 divided by sigma P0 Q1 into 100. Here, what you have to learn now, this remain constant, P1 P0, P1 P0 remain constant. First he will take the base of last year quantity, then he will take the base of current year quantity. If you remember, any index number can be expressed P1 over P0. First one he will take the base year quantity, then he will take the current year quantity. 100 should be outside the root. Okay, what we require? P1 Q0, P0 Q0, P1 Q1, P0 Q1. We'll move on. What are the requirements are? P1 Q0. Then what you require? P0 Q0. Then what you require? P1 Q1. Then you require P0 Q1. So what you require? P1 Q0, then P0 Q0, P1 Q1, P0 Q1. Okay, we'll multiply now. This is the base year price. This is your P0. This is your P1. Quantity. This is the base year quantity. Q0. This is your Q1. What's the first point to be learned here? First is P1 Q naught. So first and second, P1 Q naught. This is 20 into 55. 55. 1100. 1100. This is over. Then 83 into 12. 996. 996. Next one, this over. 15 into 64, 960. Then 18 into 37, 18 into 37, 666. 666. Then 20 into 110, 20 into 110, 2200. 2200. Add the figure. 1100 plus 996 plus this is 1100 plus 996, 1100 plus 996 plus 996, 1100, 996, 1100 plus 996. So we have multiplied P1 and Q naught. Now you must add the figure to find out the sigma P1 Q naught. First is 1100 plus 996 plus 960 plus 666 plus 2200. So 5922. Sigma P1 Q naught is equal to 5922. Then what do you require? P naught, Q naught. First and 3. So first one, 12 into 55, 660, 660. This is over. 10 into 83, 830. Next one, this over. 14 into 64, 14 into 64, 896. Then 14 into 64, 16 into 37, 592. Last one, 18 into 110, 18 into 110, 1980. Add the figure. 660 plus 830 plus 896 plus 592 plus 1980, 4958. Sigma P naught Q naught is equal to 4958. Then P1 Q1, P1 Q1. This is P1 Q1. 20 into 70. First one, 20 into 70. 20 into 70. 1400. This over. 12 into 92. 1104, 1104. Next one, 15 into 76, 15 into 76, 1140, 15 into 76, 1140, 18 into 48, 864, then 20 into 120, 2400, add, this is 1400 plus 1104 plus 1140 plus 864 plus 2400, 6908. This is 6908. Sigma P1 Q1. 6908. Last one, P0 Q1. P0 Q1. First and last. 12 into 70, 840. P0. What do you require? P0 Q1. P0 Q1. 12 into 70, 840. So this over 10 into 92, 920. This over 14 into 76, 1064. 16 into 48, 768. 18 into 120, 18 into 120, 2160. Add the figure, sigma P0 Q1 is equal to 840 plus 920 plus 1064 plus 768 plus 2160, 5752. So first you have to multiply like this. P1 Q0, next P0 Q0, P1 Q1, then P0 Q1. So you have to apply now. Slowly we have to apply. Shall we go to next? Here we can apply now. Root of, what is sigma P1 Q0? 5922. 5922 divided by P0 Q0 4958 into P1 Q1 6908. Formula P1 Q0 5922, P0 Q0 4958, P1 Q1 6908, P0 Q1 5752 into 100 outside the root. Simplify this. 5922 divided by 4958, 5922 divided by 4958. This will be 5922 divided by 4958, 1.1 1944 into 6908 divided by 5752 1.20 into 100. So this we can write it here. Root of 1.1944 1.1944 into 1.20 into 100. Multiply root of 1.1944 into 1.20 1.4333 1.43328 we can say 33 into 100. Root of this, square root of this 1.197 into 100. 1.197 into 100 is equal to 119.71. Your index number 119.71. Then two test. First one, time reversal test. First write the formula. Root of number you got 5922 divided by 4958 into second one 6908 divided by 5752 into reverse this first one 4958 divided by 5922 reverse the second 5752 divided by 6908. Cancel now. All can. Root 1 is equal to 1. This is your TRT, time reversal test. Number 2, factor reversal test. Write the formula. Root of 5922 divided by 4958 into 6908 divided by 5752 interchange 6908 divided by 5922 into 5752 divided by 4958. How to write? 4 like this, then 6908 divided by 5922, 57, this is here 5752 divided by 4958, which will be cancelled now. 5752, 5752, then 5922, 5922. What is left over? Root of 6908 square divided by what is left over? 4958 square. Now cancel this. What is left over? It is 6908 divided by 4958. This is the answer. What is 6908? What is 6908? P1Q1 sigma P1Q1. What is 4958? P0 Q0. This is test we got. First find out the index number. This is time reversal test. All the numbers should be reversed here, and it's called the root 1 is 1. Whereas the factor reversal write as it is, then 6908 divided by 5922, 5752 divided by, this is 5972 divided by 4958. Then cancel all this. What is left over? 6998, 698 square, 4958, 49 square. Remove the square. What is left over? 6908, 4958. This is sigma P1 Q1. It is sigma P0 Q0. This is Fisher ideal index number with the two tests for 15 marks. The second problem goes, calculate of aggregate expenditure method and family budget method. So they have given a commodity A, B, C, D, E, F. So quantity of 2021, price of 2021, price of 2022. So this is the base year. This is the current year. Quantity goes to Q0. Q means quantity. P means price. Q0 is base year quantity. P0 is base year price. What's your base year quantity? Q0. This is the base year price. This is the current year price. So we'll move on now. First we write the quantity, commodity. A, B, C, D, E, F. A, B, C, D, E, F. This is your commodity. Then Q0, base year quantity. A 100. This is 2021. A 100. B 25. C 10. D 20. E 65. F 30. This is your Q0. What do you require? Aggregate expenditure method. Aggregate expenditure method. Sigma P1 Q0 divided by sigma P0 Q0 into 100. So this is P1 Q0. Then you want the base year price. P0 2021. Your price 2021 price 8, 6, 5, 48, 15, 20. This is the base year price. Then P1 2022 12, then 7.5, 5.25, 60.00, 16.50, 27. This is what we require. Now, we'll come back here. What we require? P1 Q naught, P1 Q naught, P1 Q naught, 12 ones are 12, followed by 20. Then 7.5, 25 into 7.50 is equal to 187.5. Then 5.25 into 10 is equal to 52.5. Then 60 into 20, 12 followed by 20. Then 65 into 16 rupees 50 paisa, 65 into 16.50. This is 65 into 16.50, 1072.5. Then 27 into 30, 27 into 30, 810. So multiplication, P1 Q naught this is 12 into 1200, 7.5 into 25 is 187.5, 5.25 into 10 is 525, 16 to 20, 1200. Then 6.5 into 65, 1072.5, 13 to 27, 810. So this is 1200 plus 187.5 plus 52.5 plus 1200 plus 1072.5 plus 810, 4522.5, 4522, 4522.5. Then P naught Q naught, P naught Q naught. This is first and second. P naught, 8 ones are 8. This is your 800. 25, 800 is followed. So 25 into 6, 150. 10 into 5, 50. 20 into 48, 20 into 48, 960. Then 65 into 15, 975. Then 13 to 20, 600. total 800 plus 150 plus 50 plus 960 plus 975 plus 600. 3535 3535. This is sigma P1 Q naught. This is sigma P naught Q naught. Apply. What is sigma P1 Q naught? 45225 divided by 3535 into 100. 4525.5 divided by 3535 into 100. This is 4522.5 divided by 3535 into 100. 127.93. This is as per aggregate expenditure method. What's the formula? Sigma P1 Q naught, sigma P naught Q naught. So this is also called weight. Then come back to family budget method. Family budget method. Sigma PW divided by sigma W. What is P? P is equal to P1 over P naught into 100. What is W? P naught Q naught. You have to find out the P now. P is equal to first one. P is equal to A. This goes to A. P1. Your P1 is 12 divided by 8 into 100. 12 divided by 8 into 100. 12 divided by 8 into 100. 150. Then B. P is equal to, what's your current year price? 6. P1 divided by 7.5 divided by 6 into 100. This is P1 or P naught into P. This is 7.50 divided by 6 into 100. 125. C. P is equal to, what's your current year price? Your current year price is 5.25 divided by 5. 5.25 divided by 5 into 100. 5.25 divided by 5 into 100. D. P is equal to P. D is equal to P 60 divided by 48. 60 divided by 48 into 100. 60 divided by 48 into 60 divided by 48 into 100. This is 125. 60 divided by 48. ABCD. 60 divided by 48. This is 60 divided by 48. This is 150. This is how much will come? 125. E. P is equal to, what's your current year price? E is equal to 16.50 divided by 15 into 100. 16.50 divided by 15 into 100. 110. F. P is equal to, last one, P. 27 divided by 20 into 100. 27 divided by 20 into 100. 135. So this goes to here one by one. This becomes the P. So P is equal to ABCD. A 150, B 125, C 105, D 125, E 110, F 135, W P naught, Q naught, already done. What is P naught, Q naught? Come back here. Into 800 into second one 150, third one 50, fourth one 960, then fifth one 975, last one 600. You already have got a total 3535 sigma P naught Q naught. How much you got? 3535. Now PW, P into W. So 150 into 800, 150 into 800, 120 followed by 30, 1,20,000. This over 125 into 150, 125 into 150 is equal to 18,750. Then 15 to 105, 50 into 105, 5250. 960 into 125, 1,20,000. More. 97 into 975 into 110, 107 250 107 250. Then P into W, 600 into 135. This is 81,000. Add the figure. 1,20,000 plus 18,750 plus 5250 plus 120 followed by 30 plus 107 250 plus 81,000. 4,52,250. 4,250. Apply. Sigma PW divided by sigma W. What is sigma PW? 4,52,250 divided by your sigma W is 3535. Divide 4,52,250 divided by 3535. 127.93. Same answer. 127.9. Same answer. Here also 127.93. 127.3. What's the procedure? Find out the P. How to find out the P? P1 over P0 into 100. We got this answer. Current year price, base year price into 100. Current year price, base year price. 150 will come, ABC. Then the weight is not given. P0, Q0 is considered as a weight. You have given the weight, 3535. Multiply, it will come 4,52,250 divided by 3535. The answer is 127.93. In the examination, you get the two questions. One is called Fisher Ideal Index Number. Second question, section B, Aggregate Expenditure Method and Family Budget Method. Both the problems, I have solved both the problem. Fisher Ideal Index is very intense. They will ask for a two test also here. Family Budget Method and Aggregate Expenditure Method. Definite problem from the point of examination. One for 15 marks, one for the 10 marks. Please go through once again the recorded, what we recorded. Definitely it will help you. One is Fisher Ideal Index Number. Second one, Aggregate Expenditure Method and Family Budget Method. Hope the best of luck in the examination. You go through here. One is for 15 marks, mean, median and mode. Then correlation, Fisher Ideal Index Number, coefficient of variation. Section B for BBA, you have to see that time series also. So you do not have the probability. In sub-probability, you got a time series. For a BCom section B, you have to study regression equation. One probability, you have to see that. One is second one, index number, family budget method and aggregate expenditure method. They will ask you. So one problem extra for you for probability. This will not for the BBA. They will have the tabulation for BBA is concerned. Hope you understand. We'll have a good day, and also you see that better in the examination. Please study well. Bring the good name to institution, to your parents. Thank you. Thank you once again. So that best of luck in the examination.